Hello everyone, I'm Bhavna from ClearTax. Today, let's talk about the specific cases under GST where ITC cannot be availed. ITC is not available for motor vehicles which are used for transportation of persons having approved seating capacity of not more than 13 persons including the driver. Further, ITC is not available on vessels and aircraft. However, ITC can be availed in case they are used for supply of other vehicles or conveyances, vessels or aircraft, transportation of passengers, imparting training on driving, flying and navigating, and transportation of goods. Number 2. ITC is not available for the supply of the following goods and services or both: food and beverages, outdoor catering, beauty treatment, health services, cosmetic and plastic surgery. However, ITC will be available if the category of inward and outward supply is the same or the component belongs to a mixed or a composite supply under GST. Number 3. ITC is not allowed on services of general insurance, servicing, repair and maintenance if they are related to conveyance mentioned in clauses A and AA of section 17, subsection 5. Exceptions to ITC on general insurance, servicing, repair and maintenance are same exceptions as mentioned in clauses A and AA of section 17, subsection 5, where services are received by a taxable person who is engaged in the manufacture of conveyances mentioned in clauses A and AA of section 17, subsection 5, or when a taxable person is engaged in the supply of general insurance services in relation to motor vehicles, vessels or aircraft which is insured by him. Number 4. No ITC will be allowed on any membership fees for gyms, clubs, etc. Number 5. ITC is not available for rent-a-cab, health insurance and life insurance. However, there are a few exceptions which are any services which are made obligatory for an employer to provide to its employees by the Indian government under any current law in force. If the category is the same for the inward supply and outward supply, or it's a part of the mixed or composite supply, leasing, renting or hiring of motor vehicles, vessels or aircraft with exceptions same as those mentioned in clauses A and AA of section 17, subsection 5. Number 6. ITC is not available in the case of travel benefits extended to employees on vacation such as leave or home travel concession. ITC will be allowed for travel concerning business purposes only. Number 7. ITC shall not be available for any work contract services. ITC for the construction of an immovable property cannot be availed except where the input service is used for further work contract services. Number 8. No ITC is available for goods and services concerning the construction of an immovable property on his account, even if such goods or services are used in the course of furtherance of business. ITC will not be available. However, this rule does not apply to a plant or machinery. ITC is available on inputs used to manufacture a plant and machinery for own use. Number 9. No ITC would be available to a person who has made the payment of tax under the composition scheme in GST law. Number 10. ITC cannot be availed on goods and services received by a non-resident taxable person. ITC is only available on any goods imported by him. Number 11. No ITC will be available for goods and services used for personal purposes and not for business purposes. Number 12. ITC will not be available for any tax paid due to fraud cases which have resulted in non or short tax payment, excessive refund, utilization of ITC. Fraud cases include fraud or willful misstatements or suppression of facts or confiscation and seizure of goods. Number 13. As per the Central Tax Notification dated 14th November 2017, standalone restaurants will charge only 5% GST but cannot enjoy any ITC on the inputs. However, restaurants as part of hotels with room tariffs exceeding rupees 7,500 still continue to pay 18% GST and enjoy ITC. Number 14. No ITC is available for goods lost, stolen, destroyed, written off or given off as gift or free samples. Do check out our page on cases where ITC under GST cannot be availed for more detailed information with examples. You can find the link to this page in the description box below. If you like this video, please do like, share and comment. Do subscribe to our channel and do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you get notified on every time we upload a new video. Stay tuned for more updates.